had to come to the mall today, so I thought I'd pop into Indigo and see what's on sale because I know they're clearing out a ton of things. It's crazy because it's way over a month past Christmas, and here we are with a ton of sales. Like, look at the red truck and the Christmas patterns. There's just things that are still lingering. Some of these items here are on sale. What a beautiful bottle. I don't need any more bottles, neither does my daughter, but this is quite pretty. Not sure what this little line of or brand is, but these are on for $7.50. So if you have birthday parties coming up or any donations that you need to do, well, this is quite pricey here, so you can find those at Walmart for $5 a pack. $12.50 is crazy for these here. And if you're needing items for birthdays and stuff, this is a time maybe to think ahead and plan out your budget. There are some great prices here for, things that you would pay a lot more money regularly priced. Definitely take a peek at your local Indigo because they are clearing out a ton of things. Like these little cases here are even less than $4. I think they're down to $2.50. They're all glittery. This one here might be more expensive, but you can go to the computer and there's like actual scanner right underneath the computer. You can trigger it to scan, so you don't have to ask anyone. Just bring it over and check the prices yourself. But that's a little tip I learned while shopping here. So if you guys walked through with me through Winners, and Marshalls, I shared with you guys. As I was walking through those stores, I did notice that they had under one sky duffel bags, and they were nowhere near this price. So these ones here are $59.95 here, and the ones at Marshalls were running, I think, $24.99 to $29.99. But it's under one sky, probably not the latest release, but still really cute stuff. This here is also under one sky. So Serena Gomez, I think, kind of put this on the map for a lot of the young girls, but there's some really cute stuff made by their brand. These are my go-to candles. I absolutely love them. They have a wonderful throw. They have a variety of smells. And right now they're on sale for $24.50. These things are massive. They have 5 wick. And then you also have smaller wick. Well, here's some other big ones, but they do have some smaller varieties. I typically use like a smaller 3 wick. This one's massive as well. Holy cow. $24.50. This is a great price because these are like 4 times the size of the Bath and Body Works ones that you're going to pay $25 for, regular price. But yeah, I usually buy the 3 wick ones, and I think I bought them on sale for $19.50, and I still think this is a way better value. So if you walk to the back of the store, they still have some end caps here with sale items, so definitely take a peek. But oh my gosh, this is massive. I know you can't tell on camera here, but they're gorgeous candles and beautiful throws. You would not be disappointed at all. You'd be really happy. Go take a look at some of their home decor and see if anything's on sale on this end here. So they have like their own line of accessories and bags. Oh, I like their little saying on this one, onward and upward. And it reminds me a lot of the Matt and Nat or Nat and Matt line, which they also carry in their store, and I'll go over and film it for you guys. But this is their own line, so you'll see that they have clothing and home items, and then also like yoga stuff and meditation things. Oh, the reading socks are on sale, some of them. So here's the Matt Nat. They're vegan leather as well, which is quite nice. But they have such, oh, I love this copper zipper, so pretty. Yeah, Matt Nat. I always confuse it, but yeah, it's beautiful. But their stuff is so pricey. You can go to Winners, HomeSense, Marshalls. Actually, not HomeSense, but Marshalls and Winners, and they have a lot of the Matt and Nat if you're into their line of bags. Well, if some of you have been following me, you will know I love stationery, so I am so excited to see what's on sale here on the shelf. There are like a ton of notebooks for sure, like a lot of them, but then there are some agendas and planners, and oh my goodness, I'll go through here and share with you the best that I can with one hand, and I hope you enjoy. And then after this, I think I'm gonna head out. What type of notebook do you like writing in? Do you like ruled paper or blank paper? Sometimes depends on my mood. This is super cute. And remember, you can pull out the first few months, like if you don't need them because it's past. But some of these are at a great price. I just thought before I leave, I better check the wellness area. I do like I like looking at their essential oils and bath and body kind of stuff. So I'm just going to take a peek through here. I know they even sell the Swell bottles, so we'll see what's here, if there's any sales. I'm on my way out, and of course some more stationery caught my eye, but these are not on sale. They're regular price. These are probably the newest collections, but similar stuff that's on sale is on the other shelf, so definitely take a peek. Anyways, until next time everyone, I hope you enjoyed walking through with me. Bye for now.